Hello everyone. One more topic I want to discuss the difference between the cash discount and the trade discount. Okay, so let's discuss here. This in front of you, there is a columnary presentation between the trade discount, okay, and the cash discount. So, first understand one by one what is the meaning of cash discount and what is the meaning of trade discount. So, a trade discount is incentive given to buyer in the form of a concession, usually for a bulk order. Okay, in case of a bulk order, when we want to promote a bulk order, then we will give trade discount, whereas a cash discount is an incentive given by the seller for prompt or quick cash payment. Okay, when you want cash immediately, or then you will give a cash discount. Now talking about the recording, so in trade discount, no entry is to be made in the books of account. Okay, but in cash discount provided is recorded in an expense, while cash discount received treated as an income. So that will recorded because it's an expense, okay, and the income. So that's why it should be recorded in your books of account, which is general entry, okay. Now talking about the objective of trade discount is bulk sale, and the objective of cash discount is to quick realization of payment. Suppose you offer a credit sales, and the customer said, that is your debtor, the debtor said they will give you after 3 months, okay, but after 1 month you realize you don't have enough cash for running day to day operation. Then what will you do? You will say, okay, I understood, I give a permission for giving back money after 3 months, but I need a cash. Can you realize the cash quickly? Means before before 3 months you're asking for a money, okay. So that is called cash discount, okay, and then you will give a discount. That's why they will give you a quick payment, okay. Now time. Trade discount is done at the time of purchase, and cash discount offered when there is a payment time, okay. When person is ready to pay money, then you will offer cash discount. Trade discount when someone is purchasing goods, okay. Now invoice. A trade discount is visible in the invoice as deduction from the total sales price of a goods, whereas the cash discount is not shown in the invoice but mention at the top sometimes, okay. Now beneficiary. Trade discount is given to all customers, okay, whether a credit or a cash customer, but cash discount is those customer who will make a prompt payment, okay. Now calculation on the sales price, and cash discount is calculated whatever left after trade discount, after deducting trade discount, whatever amount left, okay, you have to put a charge a cash discount on that amount. Okay, now this point I will explain here. For example, sales is happen of 1000, and then they give you trade discount 100, then they give you trade cash discount 500, okay. So in what amount you will, okay, now take about, not taking about the, I'm taking about the percentage so that it is clear to you, okay. So 10% is calculated on what amount? After deduction. After deduction, the trade discount, okay. So 1000 is the sales, then 100 is the trade discount. What left? 900 left, okay. So 10% will be charged on 900, that is 90. Understood? This they are saying, okay. And trade discount is charged on sales, okay. So understand this pattern. Sales, on sales you have to mention, you have to put a trade discount, and then you have to put a cash discount, okay. So this is the columnary difference between the cash discount and trade discount, okay. Thank you so much.